Welcome to the best picks. The best extra-wide curtains is probably one of the most sought-after home decor items for enhancing both style and functionality, and today, we're diving deep into the world of 120 by 84-inch extra-wide curtains, exploring what makes them stand out, and helping you find the perfect fit for your windows and personal style preferences, considering factors such as material, light control, and overall aesthetic appeal to transform your living space. Number 5. NICETOWN Blackout Curtain. It features a grommet top design for easy hanging and smooth sliding along your curtain rod. Each panel measures 120 inches wide and 84 inches long, adding a touch of elegance to any room. The three-layer construction of this blackout curtain effectively blocks 85% to 99% of light, keeping your room dark and quiet. It's also incredibly soft and smooth to the touch. These curtains are perfect for year-round use. They keep heat out in summer and cold air in during winter, creating a more comfortable environment. Enjoy a peaceful sleep by blocking out sunlight. They add a pop of color to your room while effectively blocking sunlight. The color appears brighter in natural light. Explore matching valances and sheer curtains for a complete look. These curtains are easy to maintain. Simply machine wash in cold water with mild detergent, and tumble dry low. Ironing is recommended on low temperature. Remember to measure your window and curtain rod before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. Enjoy your new curtains. What we like. If you need a curtain that effectively blocks light and heat while being easy to care for, this is a great option. Its thermal insulation helps regulate room temperature, saving you money on energy bills. If you're looking for a balance of functionality and style, this is the one for you. What people say. They hang nicely, move quietly, and don't take up much space when pushed to the side. These curtains are very sturdy and durable. They provide great blackout for the sleeping area, which I have created for myself. They hang nicely on the poles I bought and installed, keeps the heat in as well. The fabric is thick and heavy. Definitely provides privacy and is good for blacking out the sun. Super durable. Number 4. Warm Home Designs Curtains. These curtains offer exceptional value. They're priced affordably because they're sold directly to you, cutting out the middleman. Enjoy better sleep with these blackout curtains. They block 97% of sunlight and reduce outside noise for a more peaceful night's rest. These curtains help save on energy costs. Their thermal lining keeps your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter. With many color and size options available, you're sure to find the perfect fit for your windows and home decor. Each curtain panel comes with color-matching tiebacks, adding a touch of elegance and luxury. These curtains are machine washable for easy care and maintenance. Simply wash on cold and steam or iron with a cool iron. What we like. If you prioritize a dark and quiet sleep environment without breaking the bank, this is the perfect choice. Its superior light-blocking capabilities and noise reduction features ensure a restful night's sleep. If you value both quality and budget friendliness, this is the option for you. What people say. The color is better than any of the other beige ivory that I've ordered, and the fabric looks thick and high quality with very low sheen. They are heavy duty yet not too heavy of weight. They seem very industrial with a modern fabric design, making them aesthetically pleasing. The material feels sturdy yet soft and hangs nicely. It does darken the room. Number 3. HPD Blackout Velvet Curtains. These luxurious curtains offer complete light blockage and thermal insulation, perfect for a good night's sleep or a relaxing movie afternoon. It completely blocks out sunlight, providing ultimate privacy and a dark, quiet environment. Enjoy the peace and quiet it brings. With large metal grommets, these curtains are simple to hang on any standard curtain rod. They're designed for effortless installation. Measuring 100 inches wide and 120 inches long, these curtains offer generous coverage for your windows. They are perfect for large windows or sliding glass doors. The soft velvet fabric adds a touch of elegance to any room. It drapes beautifully and feels amazing to the touch. For best results, dry clean only. Steam out any wrinkles for a crisp, clean look. What we like. If complete darkness and luxurious feel are your priorities, this curtain is for you. Its velvet texture adds a touch of elegance to any room, while its easy hanging grommets make installation a breeze. If you appreciate high-quality materials and a sophisticated look, this is the best option. What people say. The material seems high quality, the weight is heavy, and overall it adds such a luxurious feel. Beautiful, soft, and heavy velvet. They're more of a matte finish than shimmery. They do an excellent job blocking out light. Sizes were as stated. Quality metal, silver, grommets. Opaque white lining. Bottom corners of each panel are weighted. These are beautiful and heavy, providing noticeable warmth when closed. All three colors are lovely, but look quite different once you see them in person. Off-white is quite light and very close to a pure white. Cool beige has a definite gray tone to it and is the darkest of the three colors. Ivory has a tiny hint of beige and I would say is the most neutral of the three if you are looking for something to blend into a room with a cream-colored wall. Number 2. LETAU Blackout Curtains. These luxurious curtains offer a perfect blend of style and functionality. They're designed to transform your space and enhance your comfort. Enjoy a dark and peaceful sleep environment. They block out up to 95% of light, providing ultimate privacy. Experience the rich, velvety texture. It adds a touch of elegance to any room while keeping you warm and cozy. These curtains help regulate your room's temperature, reducing energy costs by keeping heat out in summer and in during winter. With pre-pleated design and included hooks, installation is a breeze. Plus, they're machine washable for easy maintenance. Need a custom length? We offer free customization to perfectly fit your windows. Simply order the closest size and contact us with your measurements. What we like. If you need a perfectly sized curtain and prefer the convenience of machine washing, this is your ideal choice. The ability to customize the length ensures a flawless fit for your windows. If you value personalization and easy care, this is the one for you. What people say. Heavy and rich feeling curtains that are fully blackout. I love that you can hook them on the metal rings to slide easily but move the inside curtain hooks down so you don't see the cheap looking rings or bar. Gives the curtains a higher end look. Very high quality, heavy drapes. They are so soft and luxurious and look like expensive custom drapes. Number 1. DWCN Patio Sliding Door Curtains. These extra-wide curtains offer a stylish and functional solution for privacy and light control. They're perfect for dividing spaces or simply adding a touch of elegance to your home. Made from durable, triple-weave polyester, it effectively blocks sunlight and insulates against temperature changes. Enjoy the benefits of a well-made, long-lasting curtain. With both rod pockets and back tabs, it offers flexibility in how you hang them. Choose the style that best suits your decor and needs. These curtains provide excellent privacy and help reduce unwanted noise. Create a peaceful and private atmosphere in any room. From patio doors and large windows to bedrooms and offices, it's versatile enough for various spaces. Transform your home or workspace with its elegant design and functionality. Machine washable and easy to care for, it requires minimal effort to maintain its beauty and functionality. Enjoy the convenience of effortless cleaning. What we like. If you're looking for a versatile room divider that also offers light blocking and privacy, this is the perfect solution. Its multiple hanging options allow you to adapt it to any space. If you need a functional and stylish room divider, this is the option for you. What people say. Smooth fabric. Correct length and width. Rich navy color. Very nice curtains, does excellent job at blocking out light. From outside the house it also does a great job of muting the lights that are on inside and right beside the fabric. The weight is nice, easy to install. I always buy at least 2x the width needed so that the panels can be pulled back easily and when closed the drapes have plenty of folds. 0026 look professionally installed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.